You might have found yourself here because you're interested in a pool remodel. In this video, we're going to discuss all of the options you have when it comes to remodeling. We will also be providing you with a price range for what this will cost you. Hi, I'm Lindsay Pacoda. I'm the director here at Shasta Pools for Remodeling. We have been in the Valley for nearly 60 years and we have helped remodel over 40,000 backyards. If you find yourself thinking about a pool remodel, I'm going to go over some of the reasons why it might be a good fit for you. If you find yourself looking at your backyard where tiles are looking dated, the interior finish is looking dull, maybe not as vibrant as it once was, then remodeling your pool might be a good fit. You may also find yourself needing to remodel due to the fact if your pool is currently leaking, has structural issues, that's where we can come in and really make that all right. Or maybe the pool that you had is just not suited for your current needs anymore. We can make changes to the pool for any health and safety needs, or if you're just looking to upgrade your pool to better suit your lifestyle. Now, we may not be the best fit for you if you are looking for the cheapest quick fix, and that is because we don't do any sort of repair or touch-up work. The reason being is that we warranty all of our work and we stand behind the quality of our workmanship. We want to ensure that any sort of work we are doing is going to provide longevity for your space. We also might not be the right fit if you are looking for a DIY style of project, due to the fact that our expert staff is here to ensure that your project is completed to the highest quality of standards and workmanship. And lastly, we may not be the best fit for you if you are not looking to be hands-on or involved in your project. The reason for this is because we truly want to make sure that we are bringing your vision to life. When it comes to remodeling your pool or backyard, there are a lot of areas that we can cover. Let's start with the pool. We can do a simple resurface, and that includes changing out the interior finish of your pool and your tile. We are really an all or nothing company. We are not able to make any sort of repairs or do any sort of touch-up work to that interior finish. When we come in, we are actually going to be stripping out all of your interior finish, which is either plaster or pebble tech that you may see in the inside of your pool, and we are going to reapply a brand new interior finish surface. We can also do decking. When we reference deck, that is going to be that deck material that sits around the perimeter of your pool. We can resurface the deck, which means we are stripping off the old acrylic layer, we are smoothing down that concrete, and then we're going to apply a new acrylic decking. Or we can add additional decking such as pavers, travertine, limestone to really modernize that look. We do a thorough inspection on your equipment. Your equipment is going to be your pool pump, your pool filter, all of really the internals of your pool. From there, we will give our expert advice on things that we see that need upgrading, or maybe with your current equipment, you're experiencing leaks. But if you're looking to add some additional upgrades such as that Baja shelf, water features, or adding a spa, we will be able to provide you with a thorough construction plan that is going to walk you through the entire design process of what it is going to look like all before we start. During our inspection process, there's actually going to be 2 inspections prior to any work beginning for your pool remodel. Our sales designer will go over the first initial inspection with you on site, and then your second inspection will be done with our quality superintendent prior to the work beginning on your pool remodel. A few things to know before remodeling your pool. Your backyard will be under construction for about 2 to 3 weeks. This means that your pool or potential backyard area will be non-accessible. There will be a few phases during the construction process that are also going to be noisy and a little dusty. No worries, we will always pick up after ourselves as soon as we are done. One of the top questions that we are asked is, when is the best time to remodel your pool? There really is not a best time. It's going to come down to what works best for you and your family. Remodeling can always be done at any time of the year. However, we never want to take away from your swim season. So if you like to enjoy your pool during the summer, you can always wait and start the construction process come fall or winter. Another thing to consider when you're looking to remodel is the financing part of that. And that is because it is going to be a costly expense. We can provide you with our internal lender, which is Lions Financial, or you are welcome to use your own. Or you can simply pay cash. I know you may be thinking, how much does all of this cost? The average cost of a pool remodel in Arizona is $12,000 to $20,000. And if you're looking for additional upgrades such as Baja shelf, full equipment packages, that can range from $18,000 to $22,000. Keep in mind that these are just ranges, as the cost of a pool remodel in Arizona varies depending on the scope of the project and the types of materials that are being used. If you're interested in starting your remodeling journey, there are a few ways that you can get started. 1, you can use our pricing tool that will give you an on-the-spot estimate for your project and go over all of the options that you have available. Or you can give us a call and we can schedule a hassle-free design appointment. Or you can scan this QR code that will direct you over to our remodeling web form. And if I missed any questions that you may have, head over to our blog section and you will be able to find any additional resources regarding pool remodeling. Once again, I'm Lindsay Pacoda, director here at Shasta Pools of Remodeling. I hope this helped, and I look forward to talking with you soon.